Power down your ZTE Axon 7 smartphone. Eject the SIM and micro SD card tray. Apply heat to the speaker grills located at the top and bottom of the ZTE phone. Insert a precision knife underneath the top grill and create enough space to fit a triangle tool. Work the triangle tool under the grill and remove it from the Axon 7. Now turn your attention to the speaker grill at the bottom of the device. Use a precision knife and the triangle tool to extricate the grill. Remove the following 6 Phillips screws. Again, use a precision knife to create space and insert a triangle tool. Release the clips and pop the ZTE Axon 7 out of its rear case. The fingerprint reader cable is still connected to the motherboard, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Detach the connector and separate the phone from its aluminum full metal enclosure. Carefully peel up the black tape from the Axon 7's rear case. Separate the Axon 7's intuitively placed pointer finger scanner and the flash cable from the tape. Remove the following Phillips screw, securing the metal bracket covering the battery connector and interconnect cable. With the bracket out of the way, disconnect the ZTE Axon 7 battery from the motherboard. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws and bend the metal bracket. Detach and remove the Axon 7 interconnect cable. The Axon 7 battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use a combination of the triangle tool and spudger to carefully free it from the adhesive, securing it to the midframe. Lift out the 3250 mAh Axon 7 battery. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws. Spudge up the display connector and power and volume buttons cable. Lift up the Axon 7's motherboard. And detach the connector on its underside, then extract it from the phone. Disconnect and plug out the 20 megapixel ZTE Axon 7 rear-facing camera. Detach and remove the 8 megapixel Axon 7 front-facing selfie camera. Use the tweezers to pry the Axon 7 stereo-enabling earpiece speaker out of the chassis. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws. Disconnect the signal cable from the daughter board. With a little sputtering, the Axon 7 daughter board is free. It includes the USB-C port and primary microphone. Use the tweezers to help remove the spring contact connected vibrator and the ZTE Axon 7 loudspeaker.